All right, I have a good news for you. So, Google Gemini is providing free certifications, that is, Gemini Enterprise Certified Partner Specialist. What you got to do is you got to complete the 3 challenge labs to earn your certifications. So, if you look here, there are basically Certified Partner Specialist, Gemini Enterprise Deployment, and here we have Gemini Enterprise Agent Development. So we have two here. You got to complete the 3 challenge labs, and there are some frequently asked questions as well. So do you need to have associate or professional Google Cloud certifications, which Google already uses for previous credentials. For this, you don't need it, right? It's clearly mentioned here. You just need to complete the 3 challenge to earn the certification. Now, you might be having a question how long it is valid, the certification. Generally, certifications are valid for 2 to 3 years, right? This is valid for 6 months. So those are the two most important information which you got to keep in mind. So the 3 challenge labs, you got to click on it. You got to begin the learning path here. Once you click, if you already have the experience, you just got to complete the challenge lab, right? If you're completely new, it's recommended to go with the learning path. And if you already have the knowledge, you just need to complete the lab, basically 1, 2, and 3. That's what it's mentioned, 3 challenge lab, and you'll get the certification. And if you're following my channel, we already have 4,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. If you're preparing for your Google certifications, we have many practice tests as well as theory and hands-on coming on for the latest and most demanding Google certification, as well as other certifications as well, where we'll be providing the hands-on files for your practice as well. So please do consider subscribing to this channel. And if you want to go one step ahead, you can join membership and support the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next video.